Hey guys, today we will be learning about arithmetic, which is basically math. Copy me. If we do for plus for it will print 8, like this. See what happens when we turn it into a string. We also use this asterisk, which is also called an asterisk. Use the normal minus sign for subtraction. Normal division sign for division. That's it, BYE guys.